Alright, so today we're going to be learning about the table footer. Now, the bottom part of a long table can be sectioned off using the foot element. So essentially, this does remind you of the head and the body of HTML, but here we have the head and then the T foot. So in the example above, the footer contains the totals of the data in the table, and footers are often used to contain sums, differences, and other data results. Now let's go ahead and add a table footer at the bottom of the table using the tFoot element. Inside of the foot, add the following data. Okay, so this will be at the bottom of the table, right here. And you have the tFoot draft or the T body. So like right here, you can simply just put tFoot slash tFoot and then paste in that data right there. Okay, and there you go. Run it, and you have the foot right here, the total essentially. That's gonna be the footer here, and that's gonna end it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.